Anyidons performance with Obi Cubana.
Before I do this performance today, I want to use this opportunity to say a very big thank you to this man here on stage who single-handedly introduced me to almost 90% of all the important dignitaries here present. If I've known important dignitaries like 100 all my life, 90 came from here. And I want to say a very big thank you to your mother for everything you've done for me. I want to use this opportunity to thank your boy, MC Cogency, because it was him that started this journey. Yes. I want to recognize all the comedians who have been supporting me, all the MCs. I can see Sassino here, live and present. The 40 years man. Yes. And I can see the funny boy and everybody. Thank you, the sound engineer. That's a wonderful sound. You want to read it. Obi Cubana, onye chidi amami fewe toba. I'm Obi Cubana,